हेलो गाइस, आज मैं अपनी PS4 1 TV Slim का अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहा हूँ. सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. आई एम गोइंग टू अनबॉक्सिंग माय न्यू PS4 1 TV Slim which I purchased in Flipkart in Diwali sale. Let's unbox. Wow, this looks so awesome. I can't imagine. I can tell you how much happy I am. This looks so amazing. I think this is GTA. This is Last of Us, and this is the Uncharted collection 1, 2, 3. I have to purchase the Uncharted 4. Okay, so I was thinking this game will be the downloaded version, but I think they have provided me the cassettes or DVD. Okay, let's. This is GTA 5. GTA 5. And this is Uncharted collection, and this is my favorite Last of Us. So 3 game, 1 TB PS4 Slim at price 29490 with the HDFC credit card offer. So this is the thing I have got. Just cut it out. Yes. Too much selectives. Just try to get it out later. 3 games. Continuation of 3 games in one shot. 3 games. And this is the main console. Okay. 1 TV jet black. Okay. I think seal is not broken. You can see here the seal is not broken. Okay, so I can unbox it. Okay, I'm too much excited to unbox this thing. And here also the seal is not broken. Okay, just unbox. What the hell is this? Another packet. I think this is the bottom side. The console, the power adapter, the manual key, manual book, HDMI cable, mono earphone, power cable. I want HDMI cable. There is nothing this side. I kept all these things here. The main part is beast. Nothing is there. Okay. I think I have to take it off. Wow. Just see it. The PS PlayStation logo. Wow. Can't imagine, can't tell how much happy I am. I don't know how. I don't know how to operate this thing because this is the first time I purchased a console. Okay. So all the things have a console, cables, HDMI cables, manual book, manual headphone, the bill and the key. Last of Us, Uncharted, and so I have unboxed my PS4 1TB Slim with all the things I have got. I'm going to pause this video and I will configure all the things and connect my LED TV, which my LED TV is not special. I have a Micromax Full HD 32-inch LED TV. Okay, and the LED TV is just behind the camera. Okay, so I will connect all these things, and till then I am pausing this video and I have to know how these things work. So okay, stay tuned. I am signing off. Bye.